BroadRiver Plumbing is a professional sewer camera inspection company in Bluffton. Most plumbing around your house or building usually breaks down, especially during busy times. It mostly backs up due to clogging, which can be hurtful when you are about to get to work. A common symptom of such error is an unfriendly smell emanating from your drainage or sewer line. It can be somewhat embarrassing, especially if you've invited a loved one over. Luckily, there is a convenient way to stop this from happening. Professional plumbers have adopted cameras to facilitate inspection for diagnosis and possibly correction purposes. Call BroadRiver Plumbing 843-271-6336. Visit us online www.broadriverplumbing.com. Do you have a sewer problem that needs an inspection? Worry no more. At BroadRiver Plumbing, our diverse group of qualified technicians is prepared to conduct sewer camera inspection in Bluffton on your sewer line to help in diagnosing the problem and fix it efficiently. Call BroadRiver Plumbing 843-271-6336.